Hello everybody, this is Charlie's Trains. We have the Chessie system pulling a steel, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we have the submarine car from Disney. We have the oxygen car. We have hot molded steel car. We have some box cars there. Two of them are for pickles, Heinz pickles. Everything's looking good. It's coming around the bend here, around the roundhouse, and coming up the trestle going into the mountain. I hope everybody enjoys this video. If you could, please subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Charlie's with apostrophe S Trains, and I hope everybody has a great day. And thank you for watching.